Greetings, electronic wizards and vintage amp enthusiasts. I've got something kind of unique here today. Just scored this one. It is a 1950s Sprague Tel-ohmike. It's a capacitor meter that can also test capacitors for leakage and do a couple of other things from what I understand. So we're gonna unbox this and just check it out real quick. Came all the way from Texas. Looks like they packed it pretty well. Love dealing with Texas, not too far from California. Great people there. So excited. Double the size of your normal lunchbox. It's in really nice condition. Little wear on the top. Not a big deal for me. It includes a set of leads, little alligator clips. You can see on the back, this hammer tone paint is in really nice shape back here. Sprague Products Company, North Adams, Massachusetts. If this instrument should ever need recalibration or servicing, please write giving model and serial number along with complete details of the reason for returning it. Instructions for return to our nearest service depot will be furnished, thus saving your time and avoiding unnecessary damage and transportation. And we've got a little printed serial number there. Cool old 2-prong plug. From what I understand too, there are tubes and capacitors in here, so this is something I'm gonna have to go through a little bit. They said it did power on, but I will, as you guys understand, go through it a little bit methodically at first. It's got the magic eye tube. There's a built-in voltmeter and ohm meter here. It can measure the insulation resistance between the the insulation between each layer of the capacitor. Can measure that. Can measure the leakage. So 600 volt capacity on this machine. That's as high as I'm going to be working with. This looks really nice. I'm gonna be firing it up in a couple days soon here, and might get lucky. Might have been well maintained. This is great. I just fixed a Fender Champ for a friend, and yeah, I'm hooked on this stuff. So leave some comments, ask me some questions. Maybe I could help you guys out.